Hey everyone, Mike Brooks here in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with our good friend Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Julie Bisbee is here from TSET, where it's all about eating healthy. You guys sponsor this for us.
That's right. It's real important that, folks take a look at what's available fresh and get some recipes, things kids like, things kids can help with. And again, kind of reinforcing it's easy to eat healthy. So we're thrilled to be here today.
I'm looking forward to this grilled peaches because I love me some peaches.
Yeah, well, this
fruit,
is the time of year for it, for sure, and they're more affordable. Anytime that you can find something that's in season, it's going to be more affordable because it's more plentiful. So this makes a great little snack, but really a nice dessert, okay? So we just have some peaches that we've cut in half and pitted. They're going to get a little bit of pan spray so they don't stick too much. You can do this on your outdoor grill, okay? But if you don't have an outdoor grill or you don't want to mess with the outdoor grill today, then just have this grill pan. This grill pan was about $15, and you can hear that nice little sizzle. And you're looking for some nice grill marks because what grilling, roasting, sauteing does is it actually caramelizes the natural sugars in food. So that's what we're looking for. Okay.
And other pans don't work for this, right?
I mean, you could probably use a cast iron.
Okay.
Non-stick won't work as well because it doesn't allow for the caramelization. Okay. And so the grill pan is nice because it's not going to stick entirely. It's only going to stick on the places where the grill marks or the grill lines are. So these hopefully are going to have a really nice mark when we pull them off. And again, do use this as a dessert, okay? So we have some yogurt that you could put on top of it. Some chopped mint is a nice accompaniment, or even a little bit of drizzled honey. We're actually going to get crazy and do all three.
So you get your fiber, your sweet, lower calorie, fantastic.
Right, right. So, I mean, if you want to have a bowl of ice cream, maybe go for the peaches first. You have a little bit of creamy to go with it, but you still get that peaches and cream thing that people love and talk about.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to take just a little look. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go for these. We might leave them on longer if we had a little bit more time, but you can still see they have some lovely, lovely grill marks.
Oh, they smell really good too.
They really do. These are perfectly ripe. Okay, and then again, we are going to go with a little bit of mint.
How does mint help that flavor pop?
Mint and fruit are just a really classic combination. So I think you have the mint, which it kind of counteracts the sweetness of the fruit. And we'll put just a little bit of yogurt, maybe right in the middle.
This is plain yogurt, vanilla yogurt?
This is actually an almond yogurt, which I love. And then we're going to go with a little drizzle of honey too on top of that. And a fork works nicely just because you can kind of string out that honey a little bit.
We're getting a little crazy here in the
Looks
kitchen.
very fancy.
We really are. And again, this is something that the kids can help with too. Yeah.
And it's a great alternative, with Shape Your Future at TSET, we're always trying to encourage families to do this together. Easy things that can be done, and really are substituting maybe some of those lesser value foods with great, sweet, encouraging them to eat better. And
beautiful. Can I show the audience here? We'll show everybody what this does look like. We'll show this. Julie, you want to get in here and give it a quick little look at that, okay?
Oh, that's perfect. They're even a little crunchy, a little gooey.
I'm going to jump in with this piece right here, okay?
How is it?
That's good. Oh my goodness. Wow.
And I think the yogurt really adds to it too.
It does, and the honey comes through.
And not much. We use a teaspoon and a half for the entire dish, and that's really enough for 2 people there.
Well, this is just enough for me, so I'm going to take this right here. No, we're going to have this recipe and all of our recipes on our website, kgrh.com. Julie, Chef, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.